everyone, so today I'm going to be making some Thieves cleaning products, and there's some instructions that come in the product guide, and there's also some instructions that come on the bottle that I got with my Thieves Cleaner. Now this was a promo, so it won't always come, but it's nice when it does. Anyway, so for the first one, the all-purpose cleaner, I'm going to use my promo bottle for this. It calls for 1 capful, which is half a teaspoon of Thieves household cleaner and 2 cups of water. Smells so good. Okay, so I have a funnel right here. I'm just gonna pour 1 capful. Okay, so 1 capful, Thieves household cleaner, and then two cups of water. Getting pretty bubbly. So then I'm just going to screw on the cover. And shake it up a little. And then you have an all-purpose cleaner which cleans most surfaces from my understanding. I'm really excited to try that out. Okay. Now I'm going to make a heavy-duty cleaner in this glass amber bottle. So I'm just going to make a label for it because it doesn't come with one. And these bottles did come with some labels, but I'm not going to use those yet. Just in case these ones wash away. Okay, so it just says heavy duty cleaner. And then, so this one is double the all-purpose cleaner. So it's going to be 2 capfuls. Two. And then it's going to be 2 cups of water. Okay, I'm just gonna screw on the cover. And this one's good for anything that's really heavy degreasing. So like an oven or something is what I think I'm going to try it on. So you have your heavy duty cleaner. Now I'm also going to make a glass cleaner, but I have to alter it a little bit because I only have 16-ounce bottles. We're just going to make a label. We got a little label. Okay, and then you're supposed to do 1 capful to 3 cups, but I can only fit 2 cups of water in here, so I'm going to do half a capful and then a cup and a half. Half a capful. And then a cup and a half of water. Okay, and then screw on the cover. And now I have a glass cleaner too. I'm probably going to use that on windows. Anyway, and then, I don't know if y'all can see, but it's still full up to here. So we've only used this much of the Thieves Cleaner. And I got this for free this month, so I didn't even pay for this, and it's about a $30 value. Anyway, so if you guys want to see me make more stuff with essential oils, make sure you like this video and subscribe for more. Okay, have a great day, guys. Bye.